Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a medium rare jelly steak. First, choose a high-quality steak, about 1.5 inches thick, for the best texture. Next, prepare your unique savory jelly by dissolving 2 packets of unflavored gelatin in 1 cup of warm beef broth. This will be crucial for our distinctive flavor. Finally, preheat your cast iron skillet to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's smoking hot for a perfect sear. Now, let's infuse that delicious jelly flavor. Once your savory jelly has cooled to room temperature, pour it over your steak in a shallow dish, making sure the steak is completely covered. Allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling process is vital. It helps the jelly set around the steak, creating a unique crust and locking in moisture during cooking. Don't rush this step for the best outcome. With your skillet screaming hot, carefully place the chilled, jelly-coated steak in. Sear it for exactly 2 minutes on each side to develop a beautiful crust. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low and add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. Begin basting the steak, spooning the melted butter and pan juices over it for 3 to 4 minutes. Continue until the internal temperature reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Skipping this step can result in a dry steak. Finally, slice your medium rare jelly steak against the grain and serve it immediately to enjoy this truly unique culinary creation. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.